Can you clean a smelly mattress? Are you struggling with a smelly mattress and wondering if there's a way to clean and freshen it up? Good news, you absolutely can. In this video, we will walk you through a step-by-step process to effectively clean and deodorize your mattress, so you can enjoy a fresh and pleasant sleep once again. Let's dive in. First, strip your bed of all sheets, mattress protectors, and pillowcases. Toss these in the laundry as usual, making sure to follow the care instructions on the labels. Now, let's focus on your mattress. Start by vacuuming the surface using the upholstery attachment on your vacuum cleaner. Make sure to get into all the nooks and crannies to remove any dirt, dust, and debris. Next, it's time to tackle the odor. Baking soda is a fantastic, natural deodorizer. Sprinkle a generous amount all over the surface of your mattress and let it sit for at least 30 minutes, or even better, a few hours. The baking soda will work its magic by absorbing odors and moisture. Once the time has passed, vacuum the baking soda off your mattress, again using the upholstery attachment. For persistent smells, mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Lightly mist the entire surface of the mattress, taking care not to soak it. Allow the mattress to air dry completely before making the bed. You may want to open windows or use a fan to speed up the drying process. Finally, consider investing in a waterproof, washable mattress protector to prevent future odors and stains. These protectors create a barrier between your mattress and any spills or accidents, making it easy to maintain a clean and fresh bed. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can clean and deodorize your smelly mattress, ensuring a comfortable and odor-free sleep. Sweet dreams.